Hello, ladies, gentlemen, and non-binary friends, and welcome to my car. This is a Renault R4 from 1971, and if you follow us on social media, you would know that for the past year we have been renovating. So last year we've done last year is more than a year and a half. We've done the 4L Trophy, which is a raid across Morocco, and when we came back from it, we realized that the car wasn't in great shape. So Nick did change a lot of suspension and he redid the motor. If you don't follow us on social media, don't worry. Here's a recap with some elevator music because most of the music I used are copyrighted. So here you go. Hi, I'm Nel, and with my partner Nicolas, we are renovating this 4L to cross the Italian and French Alps this summer. We've already traveled across Morocco with her, yes, she's a her, and realized she needed an upgrade to be able to tackle the Alps. Most of our travel are available on YouTube, but we wanted to involve Instagram for this one. So if you'd like to join our adventure from rust to riches, feel free to follow us. Hello there! Finally we are assembling the drawers. These are basically big boxes. We added some reinforcement, but fun fact, I had to remake them because the first one were too wide and did not fit. But at least we have a capsule approval, so that's great. We also added some wood to make it easier to slide on the bed frame. And the next step is to make the bed safe to last for long. So now that you are up to date, you know that very soon this is going to be our home, like I'm sitting on the bed right now, because we are going to cross the Alps from Bourg-Saint-Maurice to Menton. And that also means that for the next week on this YouTube channel, you have our adventure filmed by us. And a bit later than that for us, but for you, I think it's going to be very neck to neck because editing takes time. You're gonna see our adventure in Menton, which is a bit different because we're gonna stay every night at the same place. We rented an Airbnb so we can have hot showers. I would like to say a huge thank you to all of our sponsors that are joining us on our adventure. Peinture Voiture, which gave us a discount on the paint we did on the car. AS Associés, which is a company that helps you with your finances. They are situated in Lyon. And Valérie Portal from Efficity that helps you find the best house for you. And then the sponsor that we already had for the 4L Trophy, we had Feel Good Manager, Plongée Vercors, which is scuba diving in the Vercors that I like very much. So just go check them out. Thank you very much to all of our sponsors. This adventure wouldn't be possible without them. Some spots are still on sale if you want. The easier way to see that on real time is my Instagram page or Facebook page. If you want to have your face on our car, feel free to contact us. We also are selling a keyring on our website. The link will be in the description. And we also have a PayPal if you really want to help us. And if you don't have any money, that's okay. You can also share our adventure on social media. That means a lot to us. Comment, like, talk about us to your friends and family. That's fine too. So if you've enjoyed the first minute of this video and you would like to know more about our adventure, you can subscribe to us. Make sure to click the little bell button so that you get notified, because YouTube now wants you to double check that you're still interested in us. And go follow us on our other social media so you can have everything in prime time. So yeah, if you have any question, let us know down below, and I hope to see you soon. Hello, sir.
Hey.
What you doing?
Oh no.
Oh no, it's not supposed to do that?
Nope.
Oh crap.